to a brief tutorial on how to complete the 5 events timeline project using Google Slide. Now you've been assigned a template which has a series of 5 slides that I'm asking you to complete. If you've never worked with Slide before, when you open this up, I want you to notice a couple things. On the left, you can click through the different slides and work on each one individually. So the first slide is the instructions to go through each one of these. Now, you don't need this in your final project, so when you're done with everything, I'm going to ask you to delete this. We go to the next slide, and you're simply going to click in here and place your name. So we can work with this just like it's a regular text box and put in your full name. Next slide, each one of these we come to, you'll see if you click on it, it has a text box which has this assignment, write 100 to 150 word descriptions of the events, add pictures and images. So I'm going to ask you to write in this box 150 words. Now, after we've written in the box, we can resize this box to whatever we want. We can move it around inside the slide by clicking on it. So I'm going to resize this box a little bit, and then show you briefly how to go out and get an image. So now I can go up here to Insert and go down to Image. And it's going to ask you, do you want to upload it from your computer, search the web, find it in any of your other things. So we can simply search the web, click on it, it'll open a box over here on the side. Let me move myself up here. And we can click up here in the search. So say you wrote about the first time you were in a soccer game. So I could go soccer match, click on it, and it'll populate this with images on the right hand side. Find one that I like, I click on it, and I can simply drag it into the slide. It'll recreate it in here. I can resize it, place it wherever I want. I've also asked you, when you're done, click the X, the sidebar goes away. I've also asked you to customize it a little bit, to customize the slide. So we have just a plain white slide here with an image in it and whatever our writing is. So we can customize in a couple different ways. So one of the ways is I can go to the black background and I can change the color of the background. I can change it to, whatever I want. I can also go and choose an image. And again, it's going to take me to a number of different choices here. I can take a photo, upload it from my computer, find a link. But again, I can go to Google Images and do the same thing and go, oh, I would like to have a soccer field as my background image. And so I go, oh, let me see. I kind of like this one. So I insert that. And now I have a soccer field in my background. So now I have my writing that I asked for, I have a customized background, and I have an image in the slide. I would like you to complete that for each one of the slides by simply pasting in or writing your description, changing the title, adding the image, and modifying the background. One of the other ways, besides changing the background, and I'll go back to background here, go back and change to the color, done. I can go to simply a theme, and this theme will automatically add this to every single slide. Now, the reason why I'm asking you to try to modify each one of the slides individually is the same idea. Now I can change it, move it around, try to make it kind of your own, to customize it the way that you would like it to be.